Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the smallest sabotage, your phone and open tabs. Put devices away or use Do Not Disturb. This lowers decision fatigue. Next, choose one measurable goal for a short block, 25 to 50 minutes, and start the timer immediately. You already have what matters: notes, one pen, and a simple outcome to reach. Once done, commit to that block only. Avoid planning future tasks now. This momentum reduces the urge to overthink and makes action automatic. Now sustain the session by controlling attention, not time. Work with Pomodoro-style intervals, intense effort followed by a short break to reset energy. When doubt or tangent appears, apply the 2-minute rule. Do a tiny action to move forward and beat hesitation. If a distracting thought arises, jot it on a single line in a distraction log and continue. You'll handle it during longer breaks. Make sure to breathe, refocus on the immediate step, and preserve the forward motion you established earlier. To finish, spend 3 minutes reviewing what you did and write one clear next step so starting is effortless next time. Celebrate a finished block with a physical reward: stand, stretch, or drink water, so your brain links action to satisfaction. If your focus collapses, don't blame yourself. Shorten the next session to 10 to 15 minutes to rebuild confidence quickly. Troubleshooting. When repeated lapses happen, remove the most likely distraction for that block entirely and repeat the short session restart until focus is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.